Welcome to another unboxing. In this unboxing video we've got a couple of items. We've got some quick release plates, which is what this unboxing video is all about, and also a newer battery system for a Nikon camera, but we'll look at that at some other point. Now let's have a look at this, just being careful with my knife. Nicely packaged. Now these locking plates are to replace the Manfrotto PL200 series, which work out around about £20 each, or 16 quid each if you're lucky. However, I thought I'd give these two a shot, because you can get a packet of these replacement plates for roughly around about £10.99 or thereabouts. I read online that they weren't sure about the quality of these items, but compared to the actual genuine Manfrotto ones, which I'll compare with in a second, or certainly in a few minutes time, you'll notice that the quality here is actually very good, and so is the ring tightener. I've got my Manfrotto tripod there, so we'll be able to have a look at it in a second, see how it clips on. But for the time being, we're just going to have a look at taking the original Manfrotto quick release clip off my f2.8 70-200 lens. So obviously with such expensive equipment such as this lens, which is roughly around about £1,800 to £2,000, it's important to make sure it looks good. To be honest with you, it looks exactly the same as the other one. The ring's slightly different shape, but the metal's a slightly different colour. Just take this one off here. We'll be able to have a look at the quality difference between the two of them. Looks pretty good so far. Just put the camera down over here and have a look at comparing the two items. Well, the Manfrotto one initially feels the same, and so does the other one. In fact, the other one, the cheaper one, actually has, I would say pretty much the same sort of feel. It's just a slightly lighter looking metal. The ring on the back is slightly different. It's slightly less dome shape. But it looks the same. Same markings, same dimensions, and approximately the same weight. If anything, it feels probably a little bit more solid than the genuine Manfrotto one. Well, here's my tripod ball head, and let's have a go at seeing how this fits in. Excuse me while I just fumble it on. It's actually quite difficult unless it's, well, actually that fitted in pretty well, didn't it? Okay, it's probably because that's the Manfrotto one. It's quite difficult to put it in and out of the ball head without it attached to a camera or a lens. Okay, so let's try the cheaper one. Bear in mind, these work out around about just over £5 each, as opposed to £20 each. It's worth trying. Well, it fits in the same. Looks the same, there's no movement, nice and solid. The clip worked well with it. Nothing wrong with the ring at all. I'm very happy with it so far. So far, so good. Hopefully taking it off. Okay, let's have a good look at these items put together. There's the Manfrotto one on the left and the cheaper one on the right. Let's just get rid of the other cheaper one. And have a look at them both together. So the Manfrotto one is the one on the left, and the cheaper Harwell made one is on the right hand side. Look at the rings themselves, they're slightly different shape, but the metal honestly feels exactly the same. Same markings underneath too, telling you where to put the lens in each position or orientation of the quick release cap. But they feel the same, they twist the same. Showing you this other side here. As you can see, they are identical. It's just the colour, and the rubber's slightly different on the top of the Manfrotto. If anything, it's less grippy than the cheaper one. So at the moment, I'm pretty sold on the cheaper one. So let's have a look here. It's the cheaper one. Actually, no, sorry, that's the Manfrotto one. I'm putting back on the on my lens shoe there. A bit of a traditionalist, I guess, so it's been on that one for a while, so I'm going to just put it back where it was. But I will certainly be screwing it onto my other cameras, the cheaper ones they are, including the D3, the D2H, and in shot at the moment it's the D5100, and there's my D3 there. So I'll put on another one. I bought 2 packets of these. I bought some a little while ago, but I thought it's worth showing you an unboxing video and say yes, I reckon it's good value for money. I think you'd be nuts not to try it. Brilliant value. You won't be disappointed with the build quality as it works perfectly. Okay guys, remember to like and subscribe, got a lot more videos to come, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.